Cost centers and product transactions. All product transactions which generate general ledger postings can now be associated with a cost center. This includes product adjustments, receipts, consignments, transfers, issues, returns, as well as stock take variances. Entry screens for these transactions all now have a cost center field. It is not compulsory to enter a cost center in a product transaction. We will now demonstrate how to associate product transactions with a cost center. For this example, we will enter a product adjustment. To do this, choose Transactions, Products, Adjustments, Enter Adjustments. Let's select Location Melbourne and Product City. To associate this transaction with a cost center, choose General Ledger F4. Here you can enter a cost center code for each line that will be posted to the general ledger. Note that if the product master file already has a default cost center code specified, then this becomes the default for the transaction. To specify a default cost center code for a product, choose Master Files, Products, Products, Maintain, select the product, and specify the default cost center. Let's now re-enter the same transaction. As you can see, the cost centers have been picked up from the master file. If required, you can change it on the screen. This is how you associate with a cost center most product transactions, such as adjustments, receipts, returns, consignment issues, and single stock transfers. The two transaction types which are slightly different in products are multi-stock transfers and a product stock take. We will now demonstrate how to associate a multi-stock transfer with a cost center. To do this, choose Transactions, Products, Transfers, Multiple Stock Transfers, Create. Complete the details of the transfer. To associate this transfer with a cost center, zoom in on any line, and this is where you can specify the cost centers. Once again, if a product already has a default cost center code specified on the master file, it is automatically picked up. Finally, when performing a product stock take, when entering physical product quantities, you can specify a cost center associated with product variances. To demonstrate this, let's start a new product stock take. To do this, choose Transactions, Products, Stock Take, Create Work Data. For this example, we will select all products. Suppose we've already printed our worksheets and counted our stock. Let's now enter physical quantities. To do this, choose Transactions, Products, Stock Take, Enter Physical Quantities. Here, for each product, you can specify a cost center code which will be associated with the general ledger postings for the variance. Note that if the default cost center is specified on the master files, then of course it is also picked up on the screen. The stock take variance report has also been updated to display the cost center. All products that have a variance will generate general ledger postings, and the cost center will be printed on each line.